Hello and welcome to Engineers. In this video, I'll talk about some basics of matrix or matrices. So let's assume you have a matrix A, which has entries of 2, 1, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the A transpose, or the transpose of A, basically is 2, 1, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how did I construct this? So row or rows of A, matrix A, become columns of A transpose, and columns of A, matrix A, become rows of A transpose. So if you see here, here's one row, 2, 1, 3, it became a column of A transpose. The second column here, 4, 5, 6 became, the second row of A, 4, 5, 6 became the second column of A transpose 4, 5, 6. So now let's assume we have a matrix A, 1, 2, 6, 4, 5, 2, and matrix B is equal to 3, 2, 4, 1, 3, 5. So the sum of A plus B matrix, basically you take first entrance of A plus the first entrance of B, 1 plus 3, then 2 plus 2, then 6 plus 4. Then you go to the next row, 4 plus 1, 5 plus 3, then 2 plus 5. 1 plus 3 is 4, 2 plus 2 is 4, 6 plus 4 is 10, 4 plus 1 is 5, 5 plus 3 is 8, 2 plus 5 is 7. So that's how you calculate the sum of two matrices. So this could be on the exam of FE or PE. So it's good to, because this is simple to calculate, so it's good to know how to perform this calculation. And something when you're dealing with matrices is called the identity matrix, called I. So for a 3 by 3 matrix, basically only the diagonals are equal to 1 and the rest is 0. So this is the diagonal entry. So all of them are 1, the rest of them are 0. So if you take any matrix A, for instance, times the inverse, and we'll see how to calculate the inverse. So the A times its inverse is equal to the identity matrix. So this here happened to be 3 by 3. It's called identity matrix. But obviously I can be, it's a square matrix, n by n. So you have n rows and n columns. So the same number of columns and rows basically. It has to be a square matrix. So those are just kind of simple, or basics, simple basics of matrices that are good to know. Thank you. Have a